System design is the process of defining components, APIs, and data models to build large-scale systems that meet functional and non-functional requirements. System design helps us build systems that scale, perform well, and remain reliable, even as complexity grows. Distributed systems are powerful but inherently complex. System design helps us manage this complexity. The main goals are to build systems that are reliable, effective, and maintainable. Reliable systems handle faults, failures, and errors gracefully to keep services available. Effective systems meet user needs. Maintainable systems are easy to scale and adapt. Modern systems use reusable building blocks like load balancers, caches, and databases for scalable design. Real-world system design is iterative. Start simple, measure, and improve as bottlenecks appear. System design is valuable for engineers, managers, and anyone building or maintaining large-scale systems. A solid grasp of distributed systems, networking, and operating systems is essential for mastering system design. Thank you for learning the foundations of system architecture. Keep exploring, practicing, and building your design skills.